Hello my students, here we are again today discussing about a grammar point, adverbs. What are adverbs? In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. So let us see what is its role. Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. As you can see in the first column, there are the adjectives kind, happy, wonderful, etc. And the next one, adverbs kindly, happily, wonderfully, etc. What you can see in the second column is that adverbs are formed by adding ly in the end. But please take a look here. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. But pay attention to this note. Not all the words that end in ly are adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. And as you can see in the three examples, the word lonely, lovely, lively is an adjective, not an adverb. Kinds of adverbs. We know that we have got some kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, time, frequency, purpose or reason. Adverbs of manner describes the manner an action is done. Adverbs of place describe where an action is done. Adverbs of time describes when an action is done. Adverbs of frequency shows us how often we do something, how many times an action is done. And adverbs of purpose or reason describe the purpose or the reason for the action. Kinds of adverbs again. There are quantity, degree, affirmation, and negotiation. Adverbs of quantity or degree shows how much or in what degree or to what extent, while affirmation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. It's very sunny but cold outside. So, the whole examples and sentences answer the word question where. For example, where are the boys playing? Upstairs. Adverb of places. Another example. I've lived here for about 2 years. English and German are closely related. Is Mark still in bed? His children go everywhere with him. Adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. As you can see the examples here, he was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. So how did it land? Safely. They watched carefully. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully, etc. Adverbs of frequency or adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. The children always go to school on the bus. I'll never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. But pay attention. Where are adverbs of frequency put? They are put before the main verb or after the modal verb, the verb to be. So pay attention to the grammar rules we have learned during these years. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. Now you have the examples here. The train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. So if you answer the question when, you got the answer, the underlying phrase or expression. Adverbs of time. There are some other examples here, of course, extra. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. For example, he was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I'm rather busy. I'm fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. Adverbs of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. Adverbs of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. And here there are some examples, different adverbs used in sentences. Now we have other examples of adverbs of different kinds. For example, Tortoise walks slowly, and slowly is the manner adverb. We will have our semester exams on April 1st week. You have got the adverb of time here, etc., etc. Now try this exercise. If you can see, I have completed it, but using the words below, you have to complete the gaps. For example, his face was dirty and he was dressed in old clothes. And in the gap, you can see that I have written manner. So it's an adverb of manner. The same I have done in all sentences. Please pay attention to the sentences of this exercise. Thank you for your attention, and we are going to continue with the exercises that I'm going to send you. Goodbye.